Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 24th of February 2021 Shift 2 question. Sorry, it is Shift 2 question and it's a memory based question. Question number 2. Given alpha plus 1 is equal to alpha plus a is equal to 1 and beta plus b is equal to 2, also a fx plus a into f of 1 by x is equal to bx plus b by beta x plus b by x, then the value of this is equal to what? Four options are given. This is the question in the house of function. So the given function is a into f of x plus a into f of 1 by x is equal to beta x plus b by x. So now put, this is equation 1. Now put x is equal to 1 by x in 1. So 1 become a into f of 1 by x plus a into f of x is equal to beta by 1 by x plus it is bx. It is now equation 2. So doing 1 plus 2, we get a into f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal plus now that is here one mistake, it is a into fx and it is alpha. It is alpha into f of 1 by x. So it is alpha into 1 by x, f of 1 by x, and it is alpha into f of x. Now it become alpha into f of x plus f of 1 by x, as we adding 1 and 2, and here we get beta into x plus 1 by x plus b into x plus 1 by x. Now taking common, this and this is common here, so fx plus f of 1 by x is common here, and the remaining one is a plus alpha. So now we just known, it is our known factor, as the question asks this value, this divided by x plus 1. So now move on, and taking common from left hand side, x plus 1 by x divide beta plus b. So now dividing this divide this, and so now cross multiplication with fx plus f of 1 by x divide x plus 1 by x. Now some simplification is done here for making our answer. So here we get beta plus b and a plus alpha, and the question gives beta plus b is equal to what and a plus alpha is equal to what. Beta plus b is equal to 2 here, and a plus alpha plus a is equal to 1 is given, so that is equal to 1. Therefore f of x plus f of 1 by x divide x plus 1 by x, that is equal to 2. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 2. Now moving to question 3. So question 3 is a question 3 is in the house of complex number, as -1 plus root 3i whole to the power 21 divide 1 plus I whole 24 plus 1 plus root 3 iota whole to the power 21, 1 minus iota whole to the power 24, that is equal to k, and n is equal to what? Is a k-test integer function mod k, then the value of I is equal to 0 to n plus 1 summation iota plus 5 whole square minus I is equal to 0 to n plus 5 iota plus 5 is equal to what? 4 options are given. So now look from now at first 1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota whole 21 divide 1 plus iota whole 24 plus 1 plus root 3 iota whole 21, 1 minus iota whole 24 is equal to k given here. So now at first we take 1 plus iota whole square is equal to 2i, as plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled, so that is equal to 2i, and 1 minus iota whole square is equal to minus 2i. Now this one, so this is the common number how is shown in the complex number, and let this value is omega. So now minus half plus root 3 by 2 iota is equal to, let's suppose, omega, that implies minus 1 plus iota root 3 is equal to 2 omega, and suppose minus half minus root 3 by 2 iota is equal to omega square, that implies 1 plus iota root 3 is equal to minus 2 omega square. Now putting these values in this equation, so now this become k is equal to, we may say, 2 omega whole to the power 21. Now 2 omega whole to the power 21 divide 2i whole to the power 12, as it is square is taken here, so it is 12, plus this one is minus 2 omega square whole 21, and it is minus 2i whole 12. So when he simplifies this one, so it becomes 2 to the power 21 divide 2 to the power 12 minus 2 to the power 21 divide 2 to the power 12, and that is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 here, and question gives that n is equal to get a integer function mod of k. Therefore n is equal to greatest integer function mod of k is given, so, and k is equal to 0, so n is equal to 0. Now putting this value in this, so here we get, therefore s is equal to summation of I is equal to 0 to 5 I plus 5 whole square minus I is equal to 0 to 5 I plus 5. So adding these two, we get summation I is equal to 0 to 5 I square plus 9i plus 20. So now we put this one I square plus 9i, and now putting all the values, so this become, now I is equal to 0 to 5, I square plus 9i plus 20. So here we get, so I just turn off the page, and here we get that is equal to 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 up to 5 square, dot 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 5 square. Squaring term is finished. Now 9 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 5, and 20 times, that is 20 into 6 term as 20 into 6. So here we get 5 into 6 into 11 divide 6, 2n plus 1 into 2 square plus, so 2n square plus 1, so that is by 6. So and here we get 9 into 5 into 6 by 2 plus it is 120. So here it is 6 is cancelled off, that is 55, and it is 55, and it is 135, and it is 120. So the total is, sum is 310. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is, option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 3. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.